Hello, I'm Brent Wilsey. With me is Chase Wilsey. We're from Wilsey Asset Management, and welcome to today's edition of the Smart Investing Daily Briefing. Well, today we're talking about Phil Mickelson, and we're not talking about golfing side. Unfortunately, the SEC is seeking alleged gains on an inside trading scheme, we're going to call it, is what he did. And this is very, very serious. And we don't have time to go over the whole details for you, but we're going to try to give you a nutshell what's going on here. What it is, you got an insider trading tip from a gambler who knew the executive of Dean Foods. And you just can't do that stuff because there's a spinoff coming out, and what happened was they acted upon this tip. And I will tell you, even if you think, well, I didn't know anything, ignorance is no excuse for insider trading. We could be having, you're not going to have a conversation about insider trading, or someone going to do, talking about a sale of this company, and somebody can be over there listening, they act upon that, that too is insider trading. So it's going to be very difficult for Phil to get out of this.
Yeah, it's just kind of a fishy story too, and the gambler and the board, or the head of the president of the board, were the ones that actually have criminal charges against them. Phil has not had criminal charges yet. He just has to pay back the money. But it is very fishy because the trade proceeds he made, it was about $830,000 or $930,000. I forget the exact amount. He used that to pay off debt he owed to the gambler that said, you should do this trade. And first of all, it doesn't make sense too. Someone's called and say, hey, you should buy Dean Foods. Just, oh, okay. From a gambler, that he's not a financial advisor. Phil should have called his financial advisor, his lawyer, his CPA, or someone that had something to do with finances, not someone that is a professional gambler. Just a completely scary story. And what happens next? Well, the SEC is a very, very scary thing to deal with. I think they're going to dig down deep and look further into this matter. And if they find Phil was guilty, he could have criminal charges faced upon him as well.
Right. And the reason why this is also important is that you want this to happen because you want a level playing field. You don't want these rich guys taking advantage of getting insider information. We want people, I'm sorry to say this, Phil, but people that do insider trading, they need to be punished because you need to have a level playing field when it comes to investing and buying stocks and everything else. So that's about that. They have questions. If you have questions more on that, give us a call. We'll discuss more detail for you. But we actually, in our stock of the day, we're going to look at a golf company. We're going to look at Callaway Golf here. Let me get it right. Well, gosh, I'm having troubles today. What's wrong with the clicker? There we go. Callaway Golf, symbol ELY. I remember this company, gosh, back in the mid-2000s, trading on $14.50, now on $9.10. High 1030, low 797. Let's look at some numbers, see if you should be looking at buying or investing in Callaway Golf. Sales up 1.76%, not that all the great. Earnings, however, up 249%. Sounds like they kind of turned things around. Price of cash, real expensive, 25. Twice the industry at 12.9.
Yeah, that's looking good. Another great thing, debt to equity, 0. Current ratio, 2.14, so balance sheet looks very strong. Earnings per share up greatly, that looks very strong. However, going forward, December 2017, estimated earnings per share, 38 cents, gives a target sell price of $6.27, well below that current price of $9.10. Will not be buying Callaway Golf at this time.
Golf doesn't seem to be the big moneymaker it was before. So, alrighty, well, let me ask you, are you happy with the current return on your money, your portfolio? Maybe you're not happy with the current advisor. Well, that could mean it's time to give us a call here at Wilsey Asset Management. We've been managing money successfully for over 30 years.
Hey, you want to call and have a conversation? Phone number here, 858-546-4306, or you can go to our website, smartinvesting2000.com.